What if I told you that one of the toughest smartwatches of 2025 is not only built like a tank, but also smarter and more refined than ever before? The Amazfit TRX3 is here, and it's not just about being rugged anymore. It's about bringing durability, performance, and smart features together in a way that feels balanced. If you've been waiting for a watch that can handle extreme outdoor adventures but still work as your daily driver, this might be it. Stick around, because by the end of this review, you'll know if this watch is truly worth it. Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we break down the latest tech in simple words and share what really matters. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Amazfit TRX3, a watch that wants to prove that rugged. Doesn't mean rough around the edges. The first thing most people will want to know is what the experience is actually like when using the TRX3 day to day. Let me start with this. Wearing the watch feels very different from slim and stylish smartwatches. It's bold, chunky, and you know right away this is a rugged device built to last. But at the same time, it's lighter than it looks. The strap is soft, comfortable, and the watch doesn't feel like it drags your wrist down even during long hikes or workouts. That balance between toughness and wearability is one of the biggest wins here. Now, when it comes to performance in real world, the watch delivers smooth navigation through menus, quick access to apps, and fast response when switching between modes. It feels more polished than the older models, which sometimes lagged. The animations are smoother, swipes are clean, and everything just feels more refined. If you're tracking a workout, opening GPS, or scrolling through notifications, there's no waiting around. It just works. Fitness tracking is one of the main reasons people buy this watch, and the TRX3 nails it. It supports a wide range of activities, from simple walking and running to extreme outdoor sports. GPS locks on quickly and stays accurate even in challenging environments like dense forests or high mountains. Heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen levels, sleep tracking, and stress measurement are all included, and they're presented clearly in the companion app. This is a watch that can keep up with athletes, hikers, climbers, and even those who just want reliable health tracking. But let's take a step back and look at the design. The Amazfit TRX3 sticks with the military-grade rugged style that the series is known for. It has a bold and aggressive look with a chunky bezel and 4 physical buttons that make it easy to control even with gloves on. The casing is strong, impact-resistant, and built to survive rough treatment. It's water-resistant as well, so whether you're swimming, caught in the rain, or just washing your hands, it can handle it without worry. This is a watch designed to survive, not just sit on your wrist. The display is another highlight. TRX3 comes with a bright AMOLED, a screen that makes everything sharp and vivid even in direct sunlight. Outdoor visibility is excellent, which is critical for a watch meant for adventurers. Colors pop, text is crisp, and the always-on option makes it easy to check time or stats at a glance. Compared to older TRX models, this one feels more premium. With its screen quality, when it comes to battery life, the TRX3 continues the tradition of long-lasting performance. On regular use, you can get up to 2 weeks of battery life, depending on how heavy your tracking is. Even with GPS and intensive workouts, it holds up far longer than most premium smartwatches. For people who spend a lot of time outdoors, this means you can go days or even weeks without worrying about charging. That's a huge advantage over watches that need to be plugged in almost every night. Charging itself is quick and straightforward with the included magnetic charger. Software and features have also been upgraded. The watch runs Zepp OS, which is lighter, faster, and smoother than before. It gives access to health stats, workout modes, notifications, and even some simple apps. You can control music, check the weather, and set reminders right from your wrist. While it doesn't have the deep app ecosystem of something like an Apple Watch, it makes up for it with simplicity and reliability. And let's be honest, if you're buying a rugged outdoor smartwatch, you probably care more about performance and durability than flashy. Third-party apps. Another important part of the experience is connectivity. The TRX3 connects easily with your phone, syncing data quickly and reliably. Whether you're using iOS or Android, pairing is simple and stable. The Zepp app gives you detailed insights into your health and workouts, and it's easy to navigate. You can also get call and message notifications on your wrist, which is handy when you're out and don't want to constantly reach for your phone. Now let's talk about the price and value. The Amazfit TRX3 is priced competitively compared. Two other rugged smartwatches undercuts premium options from brands like Garmin while still delivering durability, great tracking, and long battery life. For people who want a serious outdoor watch without spending a fortune, this hits the sweet spot. It's not the cheapest smartwatch out there, but considering what it offers, it feels like great value. Of course, no watch is perfect. So let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, you have incredible durability, military-grade toughness, excellent battery life, bright AMOLED display, accurate GPS and health tracking, and a comfortable fit despite the rugged look. On the downside, the app ecosystem is limited, and it's still bulkier than sleek everyday watches. If you want something slim and stylish for formal wear, this might not be the best choice. Also, while it delivers accurate tracking, it's not as advanced as high-end sports watches that cater to professional athletes, but overall, the Amazfit TRX3 delivers on its promise. It's rugged, reliable, and packed with features that outdoor lovers and everyday users alike will appreciate. It bridges the gap between extreme durability and smart everyday usability in a way that few watches manage. So here's the final verdict. If you're someone who loves the outdoors, works in tough environments, or just wants a smartwatch that can survive anything while still looking sharp and running smoothly, the Amazfit TRX3 is absolutely worth considering. It's tough, it's smart, and it lasts. For many people, that's all they'll ever need. And that wraps up today's review. This was Tap Tech, bringing you straightforward takes on the latest tech. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.